This is a part 2 of the Amla Bond and Repair Shea Moisture line. In the previous video, I washed my hair, conditioned my hair, and deep condition it. Now we are ready to style it by using the leave-in conditioner from the same line. Here, the product that we are going to use, the Amla Bond and Repair leave-in conditioner and the Amla Bond and Repair oil. We are going to use our white tooth comb as well as a detangling brush, since it's gonna be a wash and go, and our water. This is the gel that I'll be using today. Also, we'll be using a heat protectant because I am planning to sitting in the under the dryer for about 15 to 20 minutes, maybe 30. But this is what my hair look like. Very moisturized, feels really good, it smells great. We are going to start with the process. And usually what I do, I like to work on section. For my wash and go, I like to do putting the leave-in conditioner and the oil first to seal in the moisture, and then from there we can start with the wash and go process. So this is what we are going to do here. In order for you to get really good result for your wash and go, your hair need to be really wet. So that's why I am spraying my hair with water and walk it in, and putting the leave-in conditioner. It has a really nice consistency. I am not gonna overdo it today. I'm not going to use too much product because I can tell this product is rich and very great ingredients, so we're going to try to not to over use it. So after I put the leave-in conditioner, I use my white tooth comb to make sure my hair is fully detangled, and then now we're going to put some oil to seal in the moisture. That is my process. If you do your hair, if you do your wash and go a different way, please let me know. And I like to make sure my hair is fully detangled. That's why I like to use a detangling brush. I am going to repeat the same process all over my head. Water, leave-in conditioner, and oil. From there, then we can start with the styling. I am just showing you from the front angle so you can see is water, leave-in conditioner, and oil to sealing the moisture, and that's what I do in my entire head. Once that is done, then it is time to style the hair, which we are using the Eco Styler gel, and we're just putting the gel, not a lot. I am not going to overdo it today. I'm not going to put a lot of gel, because I'm doing a special technique where after I put the gel and detangle them, I am going to kind of like loosely braid them, and then at the end you will see how I'm taking them out. It's the first time trying this technique. I seen somebody else do it, and I'm like, I'm gonna give it a try, and I don't want to spoil the end, but the result was amazing. So keep on watching. We are going to repeat the same process, putting the gel, use the detangle brush and loosely twist the hair. Okay, the hair is all set, the gels are in. I am spraying a little bit of heat protectant because I'll be sitting under the dryer. I want to make sure my hair is protected against the heat, and that is what we are doing here. Not a lot, but just enough to make sure my hair is protected. I am just putting a little bit of oil in my scalp, just to give my scalp some loves as well. Okay, now it is time for the special technique. Look how I am taking the twist out and I'm letting the curls just separate on their own term, like naturally separate. Some of them like to cling together, so I let them be. So this is the special technique that I use this time for my wash and go, and it's so satisfying to see how the curls are forming. And just watch along with me how I am taking them out. They look really good, they look gorgeous. And so yeah, so if you want to try this technique, please let me know in the comment down below. Now that we are done, I am going to shake my hair to make sure the curls are in the right place and naturally separated. I like to do that every time I do a wash and go. and now we are ready to go sit under the dryer for about 20 to 30 minutes, all depends. But yeah, it looks good so far. I like the way the curls separated, and look at this, it is beautiful, it is gorgeous. So we are ready to go sit under the dryer. I'm going to sit under the dryer for 15 to 20 minutes under medium heat. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. I actually stay for 30 minutes instead of 15 and medium heat. I got some frizz, but I love it. This technique looks, I like it. I like the way it looks. It gave me just like a natural curls, and but yeah, so this is going to be my wash and go style with a tweak for the next week. And yeah, so far it looks really good, no flaking. So, and it smells so good. My hair smells really good. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil. Just like that. I'll say it's really fully dry. I'll say 90%, 95%. It's still a little bit wet right here, but the rest can just air dry, because I'm gonna be in the house for the rest of the day. But yeah, I love it. It looks good. It looks really cute. It's gonna be a cute style for tomorrow, for the week. But I want to thank you. That was a success. The Shea Moisture Bonding Oil, it's really good. It smells really nice. I love anything that smells nice. But I will come back toward the week to show you what it looks like. But so far, I love it. It looks good. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.